Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about taking the batch job that you have run and then being able to finalize for production and delivery using a time-saving process. Once you've created all your videos, you're going to want to package them for delivery and for sale. And you can do this very easily with the ROM Zipper program. Now with ROM Zipper, you can zip multiple files simultaneously. And the most important thing is that you have all your files in the same folder without any additional folder. Now what this does is this makes the batch job that you just did easy to zip and easier to upload to your host in order to deliver them to your buyer. You can find ROM Zipper by just Googling download ROM Zipper. It is a free program. And once you get it on your hard drive, let's take a look and see what it will do. When ROM Zipper opens up, what you want to do is find the folders where your files are that you're going to want to work with. And we found ours. You're going to notice that there are 10 files. And what we want to do is we want to bundle these. And we want to bundle these all at once, and we want to bundle these quickly. Well, now that we have found the folder, all we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of our files, and then we're going to click Zip Files. And then we're going to figure out where we want them to go. And we're going to put them in the very same drive where they came from. As soon as we click OK, ROM Zipper is going to start the process of bundling up our files. And you'll see that here in the left-hand corner. It doesn't take very long. And then what you'll see is you'll see the files come into view. And then all you really have to do then is take your files and upload them wherever you like to host them. And that's a very easy way of being able to bundle the content that you ran with the batch and then continue to save time to put your effort into other things. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.